In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to short stocks inside of Interactive Brokers. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Interactive Brokers like you usually would, and then from here it should bring stuff like this once you get inside of your account. Now from here you'll need to locate the specific share that you want to short, and to do that you'll simply need to go up to the search bar up here and search for the specific stock that you want to short. From here you'll just need to click on it, and for this tutorial I'll just choose MasterCard. From here you'll need to see this page right here, and now to place an order. And to do that you'll simply need to go over to the right hand side and go over to sell order instead of buy order. From here you'll need to enter the quantity and choose whether or not it should be a limit or a market order. Now from here you'll need to click execute or submit sell order, and once you do that you'll need to go down and see the order confirmation. Here you can see all of the specific order confirmation that you have chosen over here in the market orders tab. And now from here you'll need to click transit. Once you've done that, you'll see the order submitted down here, and from here you can just click done. Now from here you'll be able to see that you have a sell short down here, and that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!